Hey everybody! I'm coming live to you today for a live unboxing of our February Hello Happy. So I'll give you a minute to sign in and watch. Okay, so if you stop by, just say hello and we'll get started. Alright, so they've made some changes to the Hello Happy. First of all, it comes in a nice, pretty box that is different for every month. So it just makes it more fun to get something like this in the mail. So, we'll go ahead and get this open. This is the Hello Happy for February. You can see the inside there. Okay, so I actually got this one. Couple of items, consultant perk. I got this entire Hello Happy and the chestnut brown backpack there, which I will do another video on probably next week sometime, for $15 total. So it pays to be a consultant. Alright, so you get this little card here and it says Hello Happy, and the theme of this box is show yourself some love. It says make the season brighter with a little self-care, and then it gives different ideas for how you can practice self-care. So another thing about these boxes is they make great gifts. It's just already curated for you and you can send them to somebody directly. But there are exclusive products that are different every month. So the only time you can get them is that month in the Hello Happy box. So the first item that it comes with is it's a necklace with a rectangle charm. And since it's based on love for February, I'll try to get it closer here for you. It's kind of like a marble pattern, but it has this little tiny heart. I don't know if I can get that clear enough, but it's like a gold chain. There's that, and then the next item, I believe these are, they're bow hair ties. How cute are those? I'll use these for Sienna. And I thought 31 had mentioned that they could be used like as bracelets too, but they're just like stretchy hair ties. I love these. They're super cute. They have a little gold at the ends. Okay, and then you can see the box has like this confetti stuff in here. The next item is you get one of these reusable gift pouches. It cinches up like that. It feels like almost like the cinch sack material. It's not like the Christmas ones that come out that are kind of like a cheap paper or a cheap reusable bag. These are actually the same material used for like a cinch sack. It's very thick and metallic-y. I love that print. Wish they had more stuff like this. And so there's that, and then, it says it's a satin pouch. So maybe it's satin, I don't know. And then inside we have this box. Put it up here. Maybe. Alright, and this is called a True Love Tray. I love this. It's so simple, yet kind of elegant. It's got that heart that's trying to get it to show up a little bit. Little heart. And you could use this just to throw your ring in, keys, whatever. It's very heavy duty. It's made of ceramic. So that is your Hello Happy for February. It's only available a few more days. Comes with a satin pouch, this necklace, this True Love tray, and bow hair ties. So there will be a new one out next month. Hopefully I will get that one, and I'll do an unboxing of that too. But if you want this one, make sure to get it before the end of the month. Have a great day. Bye.